All right, so in this episode, we're going to talk about how to download and install the Grandime on PC and 3D software. So the links are in the description below. If you go ahead and click on that right now, and the software will start downloading. Once it's downloaded onto your computer, Brandon, tell us how to get that installed.
All right, so I have both download drives right here. We're going to start with on PC. So we're just going to double click it. It's going to start a process, and it's going to ask a couple of questions. It's asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You're going to click yes, otherwise it won't work. So click yes. It's going to start the download process. It's going to do its thing. You'll click next. I agree. This is just a licensing agreement, and then install. And then it's going to take a while for it to do its thing on this bar. During this time, you can also start the 3D software. Do the same thing. Double click it. Yes. Next. I agree. Install. And it's going to go through its process as well. We can see both those here. The one thing I would like to say is that this is a PC-based software, so we'll want to make sure that you're running on a PC. If you are a Mac user, you can use Boot Camp or VMware or something like that.
Yeah.
But it is a PC-based software, so it'll work best on a PC. But you definitely can use a Mac with Boot Camp or VMware.
Yeah.
So we'll let these download. All right, so now that these have downloaded, there's two separate windows here we have here. On our on PC software, we're going to hit next, and it's going to ask us what we want to do. We have a couple options. We can run Grandime on PC 3.8.0.0, or we can create Grandime 2 on PC desktop link. We definitely want to create a desktop link, that way we can easily access it later. So we'll create the desktop link. We don't need to run it right now, so we'll just go ahead and do that. Hit finish. That one's done. You can see it created a desktop link. Now that can be moved wherever we like. And then we'll do the same thing for MA3D. We'll create MA3D desktop link, and we'll hit finish, and it'll create that link, and we'll just move it down here. At this point, feel free to delete these files. You don't need them anymore, so I'm just going to take them and put them in the recycle bin. And then, yeah, so that's how to download the softwares.
All right, thanks, Brandon. Now, before you open the software, make sure you watch the next episode where we're going to talk about how to download and open the show file. So we will see you there.
See ya.